we going to do with the time that God?
What are you doing? What are you doing?
What if?
For real?
If the left won?
I can't believe that. That's like BS.
But I don't know why
Oh my
he gave us the benefit of the doubt, but he did. And I think it's
really
because
can't believe. What are you
enough
doing?
of us said, yeah, I don't want to wake up every
You can
morning
go.
without freedom
You can go.
and wonder why I didn't
You can go.
and fight.
You got to be kidding me.
Fight with my feet. Fight with my voice. Fight
Go.
with money. Why didn't I do that?
Damn it, what are you sleeping?
We did.
Freaking stupid people.
As Thomas
Why do I
Jefferson
constantly get a counter, you
said,
freaking
always
damn?
give the American people the benefit of the
For real, you
doubt.
could have made a
They'll
turn, you
but
dipshit.
eventually They'll figure it out.
Oh
and
my
get it right.
gosh.
He was right then. He's right now.
What the flippin' A today?
We did figure it out.
Are you
We're
kidding
still
me?
figuring it out, and people are still waking up.
I'm
The
beeping
good
at you,
news
it's still making not in the right
I'm
turn.
not
2
sure
for
this
1
would have happened
stupidity.
in Canada as quickly as it had.
It's
if
like
Donald
ridiculous,
Trump
man.
hadn't
Get me
pulled
back.
no
I gotta get back. I
first
can't deal with this stupidity. I mean,
news
come
came.
on.
He was just
What are you
a
doing?
form away from being a dictator
Holy,
in Canada.
what do we got
It's only a
going
matter
on
of
here?
time.
We got
Today,
foolishness.
they'd be Justin Trudeau's.
Oh my god, he just made a U-turn. Holy moly. Oh my gosh, I need a rear view camera for that. I really do.
Unbelievably.
I'll stick that in there and just put a little comment on top, made a rear view turn.
So
Well, this is stupid.